Okay, cool. I think we should have this on YouTube. I know. Okay, yeah. So we have it on YouTube. So Git is a source code management system. So it's an example of a source code management system. And when you're talking about source code management system, is a tool that you actually use in managing your source code, like programs. You have programs, you have documents. You can just use it to manage virtually anything. So that's what we mean by source code management system. So today we are going to be talking about Git. We have different examples of source code management system anyway. So we have a centralized and we have distributed. So as we go on in the class, I'll try to explain this so we can really get this. So for this class, we are going to be talking about Git. So Git is just a tool that you use in managing your source code. Okay, and how should I put it? Yeah, it's a tool that you use in managing your source code. But then we now have some other platforms that actually use Git, to really help us in understanding or to really help us in managing all this source code graphically. So we have example of them. We have the GitLab, we have the GitHub, we have Bitbucket, we have what's the one for AWS self? Forgotten right now. So we have a lot of them that actually make use of a tool called Git. So for us to start now, let me try to open GitHub. So we have example of platforms that actually make use of Git as a tool. So please, let's try and understand something. We have Git and then we have GitLab. Okay, so GitLab, we have GitLab and GitHub. So Git is just the tool that you use. Okay, it's a tool that you use in managing the source code. But the GitHub, the GitLab, the Bitbucket, they are a platform. They are a service provider that provides something like Git repositories where you can keep your code. Okay, so that's your GitHub. So, but for this class, we're going to be making use of GitHub. So we are going to be making use of Git, for managing our GitHub. Okay, so let's open GitHub. So we have GitHub here, github.com. You may now want to ask maybe a further question. Why would some company prefer GitHub and why would some prefer GitLab? It's preference. But one major difference that I know of is, okay, for my company now, we actually make use of we make use of GitLab. Yeah, we make use of GitLab. Why GitLab? GitLab actually makes use of you can manage the repository using role based. Like, okay, we have a couple of us in this team. Let's say we have developers, we have Java programmers, we have Python programmers, we have DevOps, and okay, we have the project owner. Okay, so now I can give a developer a particular access, maybe to a group of repository that is role based. Okay, I can give maybe Java developer role based access. Okay, I have access to only this repository. Please, can you hear me? Hello? Shh. Hello? Is my system freezing? Hello, please, am I audible?
We can hear you.
I'm trying. Low system resources may affect your audio quality. Try closing some apps. Okay, please, give me a minute. I don't know. My system is freezing. What's this? Fresh. Close. Which other thing can I close here? Is my system freezing? Oops. Sorry, please, I'm coming. I'm trying to free up some space. Microsoft Teams. Wow. Please, I'm with you. I'm just trying. I don't know why my system is freezing. Okay, I think it should be better now. Okay, yeah, better. So we are going to be working with GitHub. So if you don't have an account with GitHub, you can just try to sign up with GitHub. Okay, I think I was explaining role based and user based. So now that's GitHub for you. You can assign maybe access using roles, but with GitHub you assign access using users. So I'll just user Shola, user Toby, just assign users to them and assign access to them. Okay, I'll be able to access this. Okay, you are going to be maybe a developer, you have access to a particular set of repositories, not role based in this scenario now. So it's going to be user based. I think for me that's the major difference that I've noticed so far. So if you